Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert Google Photos to JPEG. And let's get started by open the browser and at the search bar at the top write Google Photos. Now you need to sign in into your account. Click at the right top to make sure that you use your correct account. If you have multiple accounts, when you click at the profile icon, you'll have more accounts. Here I just have one, and you can add your account if you haven't it. Now, Google Photos save the photo at the same format what you upload. So if you upload it as JPEG, it will save it as JPEG. So maybe this photo we can click at the information icon and we can check. Now we have HEIC, so maybe we have some photo. You can click at this information icon and check and find. Maybe here we have no still iPhone. Oh, and we have JPEG here, so if I click at the three dots and download, as you can see, it's saved at JPEG. Now, what if we have HEIC or PNG? So let me save some picture here. Let's say this one, we have HEIC, three dots, download. Then I want to only also save JPEG, so we need to find. Oh, and right here I have PNG. So again, three dots, download. And now we have these photos, but HEIC it's saved as zip file, so open it, and right here we need HEIC in download. Okay, now let me open downloads, and right here we have these photos. So as you can see, this upload as JPEG. What next? So click at the view at the top, then show, and you need to select file name extensions. And now as you can see we have .png, .heic. So or click click mouse, and then you need to click properties. Yes. Or you can click and you can click on properties or to rename. So you need to show more options and then rename. You can do the same if you click at the F2. Now we need to remove PNG and write JPEG. Enter. Yes. And now let's check properties. As you can see, now we have .jpeg. We have file type JPEG, so we did it. Okay, what about HEIC? So we have it. Let's check the same, F2, remove HEIC and write JPEG. Then yes, and properties, we change. Also we can open it and check, yes we have it, yes. What about this one? Also yes. You can also use some services, but you don't need to. As you can see, I just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!